Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you guys my Cricut Explorer Air 2, the unboxing of it. So I am trying to start a little clothing line, and this is one of the things that I needed. So let's unbox it. I ordered this off of Amazon. It was $2.10, I believe. I got the black one. I was about to get the purple or blue one, but the black one, which was originally like $2.50 or something like that, had went down to $2.10. So that's how I ended up getting it. Okay, so I got the machine out of that box that it was shipped in, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big box, like pretty big. Now let's open it up. It has more tape on it. Okay, so the first thing that I see when I open up the box is this light grip mat. I think this is the mat that you put in when you're trying to cut. I have no idea. We're going to read the instructions later. Okay, then behind the machine, you get the instructions. So inside of here, I get this. I guess this is just the practice. I know that it does come with practice material, so I'm gonna assume this is practice paper. Some warranty statements, the welcome, the instruction manual book, whatever you want to call it, and then I think this is a DVD. Is this? Oh no, this is like another manual. Shows you how to go through all the instructions, all the setup process for the machine. And I think that's it besides the machine. So let's try to let's get it out. It's really heavy. Heavier than I thought. Okay. Here's the machine. We're going to set that to the side for now because there's more stuff left inside the box. So this is a pen, I think, a Cricut pen. And then this is the power adapter. And then it comes with some jellies. And I'm assuming nothing else. That's it. Let's get rid of this box. Okay, so it comes in like this styrofoam packaging thing. I was honestly not expecting it to be this big. This is a pretty big machine. And it's wrapped in more plastic. Okay, this is nice. Wow. This is really nice. So here is just some styrofoam, and then the blade that cuts. So I don't think it comes with any extra blades, so I will be purchasing extra blades just in case. But I think these are just some storage units to keep some stuff in. I don't know how to close it. Do you close it like this? Okay, so I closed it. And we're going to plug it up and give it a try. So this is the, I ordered, this came separate. And the reason why I got this pack of the basic tool set was because I plan on using vinyl, paper, stickers, all types of stuff that may need some manipulation to get it apart. So this was on Amazon for I think about $13 to $15, which isn't bad. It has some cool tools. It has a spatula, a weeder, a scraper, scissors, and tweezers, all in here for $13. And I ordered vinyl heat transfer vinyl paper just for when I get my on my t-shirts and stuff, so I can straight start printing. Yeah, so they'll be here tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys how I used it for the first time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.